If this is your first time here, my name is Dumohere Prince and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please do well to subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. So when next we drop a video, you'll be the first to get notified.
All right, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how simple it is to create an S3 bucket through the AWS Management Console and add files and folders into the bucket. So if you are logged into your AWS account, your AWS Management Console, so you come to the services section and search for S3, right? Search for S3 and then click on the buckets. Search for S3, click on buckets. So it comes up. If you have buckets already, you see the bucket count here, general purpose bucket 1, or as many as you have. But if your account is new, this should be 0, right? So we'll come over here, then we'll click create bucket. We create bucket, make it a general purpose bucket, and then you give the bucket a name. Let's name this my first bucket. My first bucket. Then we scroll down. Object ownership, leave it as default. Then block public access settings for this bucket. So what this does is you block all public access. So even if the URL of this bucket is shared, this bucket will not be accessed, right? But if you want it to be shared, you want it to be accessed via the URL, you will leave it open, right? But for the sake of this, we're going to block access. We're going to block all public access. For the sake of this, we're going to block all public access, right? So we'll scroll down. Then bucket versioning. You want this bucket to have versions. Whenever you do an update, there is a new version that is updated. So let's leave this for now, because the essence of this video is just to show you how to create a bucket and upload files into them. So we'll create the bucket. Click on create bucket. Okay, so this bucket name contains invalid characters, so let's ensure that we remove all the invalid characters. So let's name it my first bucket. So it should not also have upper cases, right? So it says that this bucket name already exists. Okay, so let's name it the Kingston first bucket. So the bucket name has to be unique. It has to be something that has not been used before. So we have successfully created this bucket. So this is the bucket here, Kingston first bucket. So let's click into this bucket, right? Because the essence of creating this S3 bucket is to upload files into it. So you click this bucket and then you see either this or this upload button. You can use any of them. So you click upload, then you can either add a file or you add a whole folder, right? So let's say you want to upload a whole code, right? A code that has pictures or images. It has the index.html and then has other folders inside of it. Let's say the contact and so on and so forth. But for the sake of this, we want to make it very simple. We just add file and look for a file to add. So let's add both pictures and document, right? So let's add more than one. So let's add all these. Ensure we have pictures and document. And we add file. So it shows you the type of document. This first document is a PNG file. Second one is also a PNG file. The other one is a document, right? So the fact that you have entered it is not uploaded yet. You can also see the total size, 3 items, 2.1 MB total size. Then you scroll down and then you click this upload button. So you see it's uploading now. So your files have been uploaded successfully. So you now have these files inside this bucket. So we have created this bucket, right? We have created the bucket and we have uploaded items into this bucket, and these are the 3 items in the bucket, right? The first one is a PNG, second one is a PNG, while the third one is a document file. So click on this first one, going into the object or the file that we have uploaded, and you click on open. You can see the file here. It has opened. So we have uploaded an item or items into the bucket, and then we can view the items. So the second one, the same thing. Click on open. We see it here is a PNG file also. So this is how easy it is to create an S3 bucket and upload files into the S3 bucket. Right, so thank you very much. I hope to see you again. Please don't forget to like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much, and see you in my next video.